These individuals have high sense to energy, emotion, and experience of natural world, including plants, animals, ecosystem, and earth itself. Natural empaths often feel a strong sense of oneness with nature and Namaste. And today we will talk about natural empaths or environmental empaths. This empaths is very similar like animal empaths, but this kind of empaths have some ability that animal empaths don't. A natural empaths, also known as environmental empaths, is an individuals who are possess or proceed a deep connection and with natural world and environmental. These individuals have high sense to energy, emotion, and experience of natural world, including plants, animals, ecosystem, and earth itself. Natural empaths often feel a strong sense of oneness with nature, and this kind of empath is very bond with energy of earth. So let's see what else environmental empaths can do. Connection to nature. Nature empaths have innate and strong connection to nature. They often seek peace and inspiration in nature settings such as forests, mountains, ocean, or gardens. Sensitivity to environmental change. They can sense and feel environmental change such as shift in weather patterns, change in ecosystem, or damage to natural habits. This sensitivity often leads them to advocate to environmental conventions and protest. Empathic awareness. Natural empaths can sense the emotion and energy of animals, plants, even the geographical future, like mountains or rivers. They may feel profound empathy for suffering or well-being of the natural world. Naturalistic instincts. Many natural empaths have deep approaching for the details of natural world and may become naturalist, ecologist, or environmental scientist. They are very exciting about studying of nature. Animal and plants communication. Some natural empaths have the ability to communicate with animals and plants on the intuitive level. They may understand the needs, desires, and message from these living beings. Advocacy for environmental causes. Natural empaths are often advocate for environmental sensitivity, conservation, and protection. They may actively engage in activities like tree planting, wildlife rescue, or beach cleaning. Balancing energy. Natural empaths are skilled for balancing and harmonization of energy in natural space. They may engage in practice like forest bathing, energy healing in nature, or eco-spirituality. Eco-conscious lifestyle. They tend to lead eco-conscious lifestyles, make choices that minimize the environmental impact, such as reduced waste, conserving or saving energy, and support eco-friendly products. Peace in natural settings. Natural empaths find a solace and inner peace in the natural environments. Spending time in nature helps them to reach and reconnect with their inner selves. Spiritual connection. Some natural empaths view their connection to nature as deeply spiritual. They may incorporate nature-based spirituality or rituals in their lives. Environmental education. They may be drawn to educate others about importance of environmental change and sustainability living and practice. Natural empaths played a vital role in raising awareness about environmental issues, promoting consciousness effort and deep connection and revitalization with nature. Their deep connection to nature serves them as reminder to oneness with all living thing on planet Earth, and these empaths can improve drastically life on planet Earth. If you are since self like environmental empaths, your job is very important, and I think you are very special. So, Satnam.